Yo, what is up guys? So what I got for you today is the unboxing of the Asus Prime GeForce RTX 5070. So let's get it started over here. Let's see what is inside the box. So we got a little sticker over here. Let's get it open. Alrighty. Nice little box inside it. So let's see. As it goes for Asus, very nice box. Over here, Asus in search of incredible. Let's get it unboxed. That's what we see in the first place. Let's see what is inside. Thank you for purchasing an Asus graphic card. Okay, so this is a piece of cardboard. Some information about the PSU. Insert incredible quick start guide, which is not so really quick. And that's all over here. No stickers, I believe. Let's get out of the way. And let's see the real deal. Damn. So let's check the accessories first. A nice little Velcro. For the PSU adapter. Looks very high quality. Let's get it open. I will actually need to use it anyway. High quality as it goes for Asus, and this graphic card is actually one of the best cheap options for the 5070, if not the best cheap option over here. This one is really like redesigned when it goes to cooling and everything. The other ones, they don't really are that much, if at all, different from the OEM one, okay? So if you guys are interested in this type of card, you can see some benchmarks from other YouTubers about it. This one pretty much comes on top. This is how she looks like in a close-up over here. As you can see, the backplate, the radiator. So let's get her unboxed. Okay. Let me move this out of the way. Let's close it down. Put this bad boy on top. Let's try to peel off plastic. So this is the first layer of plastic. As you can see, the details. Oh, we got some connections over here for your holder. Okay, now the fans. 1, 2, 3, and top I cannot really get to it. We got another sticker over here. Oh, that's a lot of stickers. Okay, I will actually take this one out later because I have to detach all the display ports. Display ports covers. Let's check the ASUS logo. Oh, very hard to get to. Okay, let's do it as it should be. Bam. Remove protective trim before use. But how should I actually do it? Okay. Maybe that's the way. And it's a nice brushed aluminum. Oh wow, really? It glues so perfect. And there she is. Nice and shiny. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. This was the RTX 5070 from Asus.